Okay, what you're looking at right now are two healthy sable palms. About 3 years ago, I lost one of these palms to a disease called lethal bronzing. And once your palm tree gets it, it goes south really fast. You can easily tell because the fronds, they turn brown, and then that's it. The palm tree will slowly die, and I had to get the palm tree taken out. Okay, across the street is this Sylvester palm, and it's suffering from lethal bronzing. Now, the first symptom of this infection is the withering and drooping of older fronds. And you're going to see this in this video as I get closer, and you're also going to see these black spots on the fronds. When you see that, then you do have the disease on your palm tree. I'll be talking to the homeowner here. His name is Jim. He's going to give us some more oversight about this, about his Sylvester palm. You'll find it very interesting. And it's just so sad. You can look at this. See, it just falls apart. I don't know if the camera's picking up, but you can easily see these black dots, and that's a sure sign of lethal bronzing. It has no cure. If it happens, there's really nothing you could do about it. And a sure sign of lethal bronzing, or at least in the decay process of this palm, is the base of the tree. And you can see the difference in the coloring right here. Jim, tell me about it. What do you think is going on here? What did your experts tell you?
Well, if you see that black patch down about a foot high from the bottom, from the ground, it's about 6 to 8 inches wide. That's the fungus in there, and you can take something hard and like a knife or any kind of stick and just reach in there and dig it out, and it's all white under there. And if you held it up to your nose and smelled it, you would smell a real horrible smell.
Real funky, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And it's going into the base of the tree and working its way up, so you can see that the branches, some people call them fronds, are up at the top are nice and green, but it started down below with some of the branches, and they cracked, some of them on the other side just cracked off and were hanging there, and they've been cut off. You can see this one right in front of us is drooping way down.
Oh yeah.
Here. This one over here, and it's hanging down. That's how the others are. They're not as, they're very brittle, and they might even fall right off.
Oh yeah, it just, yeah.
These things originally were very sharp. Now they're not so sharp. They're just brittle.
Yeah.
But you could get a real...
God, this was such a beautiful tree. It's a shame this happened to you. Yeah. I guess, what, a couple of weeks, somebody's going to come here and dig it out for you, huh?
Well, they're going to come in, and we're going to remove these hedges anyway so that they can get their equipment in here to cut it down in pieces, and then they're going to get their machinery to level this down so that it's even below ground level a little bit, because the stump
they won't leave the stump
way up here above. So this is all going to be level down here. It'll take them a morning to do this, and
you can really see the discoloration right there. You can see how it's boy, I mean, you get my finger right here. Oh yeah, go ahead, Jim.
If I go in here, you can see the bugs are already digging.
Oh yeah, they're just digging at it.
And down in here, you go down further, and you can just stuff is just falling.
Yeah, you can smell it. Yeah, it's I think this is everybody's favorite palm tree here in the villages. The Sylvester palm. You know, it looks like people call it a pineapple palm.
Right, the way it's...
All right, Jim, we're standing little bit further away from your palm here.
Yeah, you can see on the bottom rung, the bottom leaves, where some have broken off and then they've been sawed, so they were just drooping. But that one over on the left is about to come down.
Yeah.
And you can see up at the top how green the top is because it hasn't been affected yet.
It's slowly working its way up, isn't it?
Working its way.
And again, it's such a magnificent looking palm. It's not cheap either. I mean, something like this, if somebody want to install these right now, you're talking $3-4 grand probably. Something this size, isn't it?
Yeah, I hear that the palm tree itself would be about $2,000.
Okay.
And then $2,000 or $3,000 more to put it in.
All right, deliver it and everything, sure.
That's needed to lower it down there and get it into place. So it's gonna look quite different by the time we're finished.
Yeah. Well, listen, I'm really sorry to, you know, when I looked across from my house and I saw this, I said, oh, he's got lethal bronzing, and sure enough, you know, I looked it up, and you know, I told you there's nothing you could do about it, but it's just something that we want to share here. Other people, you know, if you had this problem, now you know what you're dealing with. Lethal bronzing, there is no cure. Now, even if you trim these dead fronds off, it's not going to help. It won't. It's just going to gradually work its way down. The plant is dead, and there's nothing you can do.
From the base up.
Yeah, it's
in the trunk.
Yeah. Well, Jim, we'll see what it looks like in a few weeks when it gets taken out. I'm sure they'll do a good job.
Okay.
Take care.
Thanks.
Leave your comments.